Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenna Meyer. I am an OutSchool teacher and a VIP Kid teacher. And in this video, I am going to show you how to record on your computer screen so you can show students what you're doing on your computer or how to do something. You can record your screen using PowerPoint. There is a recording feature in PowerPoint that allows you to record your screen. You can choose how much of your screen you record. You can record the whole thing. You can record just a snippet of your screen. So it's really cool. It's free if you have PowerPoint. And I love it, you guys. It's actually really nice. It's way better than the previous software I was using, which was in my Windows computer. It was like a gaming recording software, and it was also free, but it wasn't as good. It would miss pieces of things I was clicking on, and I also couldn't open other windows and keep the video going. So with this PowerPoint recording feature, it's super simple. You literally just click a button, choose how much of the screen you want to record, and it goes. And then you can open Zoom, you can open different software platforms, and it'll keep recording that portion of the screen that you chose. So I really hope this is helpful. It's super simple. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you've been using to record your own screen, or let me know how you think you'll use this in your virtual classroom. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you how to record in PowerPoint. And so I'm going to go down here, open up PowerPoint. So you will go up here to Insert, and then you'll see the screen recording button here. It's already clicked, so I can't click on it because it is recording. So you will just record the screen, and you can open other windows, you can open other programs. I'll open up Zoom, and you can see it keeps on recording, and there we are. There's me and my baby. So yeah, it will keep recording, which is really cool. And then when I save it, I go to File, Save As, and I'll just put it on my desktop for now, Presentation 3, and I want to save it as an MP4 or MPEG-4 video, because that's what I want to use it for. If you wanted to put it into a Google Doc, I'm guessing that would be the format, or you could just use it as the PowerPoint presentation and do a screen share with your students, or send it via Google Drive, however you want to do it. But I like to save it as a video format so that I can use it in my editor. I use DaVinci for my editing software. So I'm going to save that, and it'll just kind of create the video presentation. And that's it. So it's done. So up here you can see the toggle kind of comes down if I click up. And I'm going to stop this video. My baby's going to eat the computers. That's it, you guys. It's so simple and it's free. So I really hope it's helpful. If you, here comes my baby. If you need some help through teaching virtually, I would love to help you, especially on OutSchool. I have a lot of tips and tricks for new teachers on OutSchool. So my email is down below if you want to get a hold of me. And yeah, I do plan on doing more of these how-to videos, like how to use Canva to improve your classroom, how to use Zoom, certain Zoom features for digital teaching. So leave a comment down below too if you want me to focus on a certain element of digital teaching. So anyway, I will go, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.